Hi guys, Pileway here. Welcome back. Today we're gonna be checking out the new cars like you see on the screen. I'm already in a taxi. So I'm just dirt cruising, and Lazy Lake is actually a good spot to find these cars. I thought they were gonna be rare, but no, they're not. They're just very common. And you can also play like real music in it. Like I'm playing the Yonder. You can like do radios, and also you can find gas cans. And you can also go to these gas pumps and fuel it up. The gas cans, you can like, if you're out in the world and you're low on fuel, then you can like, do that. Like you can get your gas can and fuel it up in the middle of nowhere. So just fueling it up. And then if it hits low fuel, then yeah, you won't be able to drive it. So make sure you're going to be doing that. By the way, taxi's my main car, so no one ever touch the taxi, otherwise I will eat you now. Okay? You got that? Good. And also there's these ones with yellow thingies on them, on the tires. And if you see them, then you can't drive them because they're like the stuck thingies. I don't know what to call them. And also I love driving off mountains like you see, like you just saw. So yeah. I don't really normally do voiceovers, but I start doing them so you can actually hear like this. So yeah. I'm on my way to Catty Corner right now because I can. You can drive anywhere, just as long as you don't run out of fuel. And yeah, there's different types of cars. There's taxis, the one I'm in, sports cars, like Prevelians that are like normal cars. There's trucks and mini trucks. Like I prefer the taxi and the Prevelians. You can see the Prevelians on my left. No, not my left, my right. You can't drive the caravan, sadly. I was going to try and do that, but no, you can't. So, right. And also, you've got the different kinds of radios. You've got the Party Royale radio. You got the Yonder radio. And my favorite, the Beatbox radio. And there's also the last one that I totally forgot. Like, literally, I barely use it. And also, there's a tank next. Stop singing. Sorry. It's just chill everything. He keeps singing songs. Sorry if I'm not talking much. It's just my first time. So yeah. There's. Okay, at the end. Okay. Okay, so at the end of this video, I'm gonna give a shout out. So there's gonna be, if you just comment your some like comments in the video. The first one to say yeet gets a heart from me. The first one to say Kobe gets a shout out in my next video. So I've got a shout out soon, and yeah. And if you don't subscribe, because he's so close to 100, if you don't subscribe to him, you have some mental problems, okay? If you don't subscribe to him. My jaw hurts. Ow. So I know, don't start saying in the comments, the car's out yesterday. I know, I didn't get time to record yesterday. So yeah. Am I oh, and plus the sports car, aka the Whiplash, if any of you call that. Yeah, the Whiplash one is actually the only one that can boost. But it does but it can lose fuel once you boost. It loses it faster than all the other ones. And I don't think they're in creative yet, but they will be soon. The cars will be in creative soon. Actually, I don't really think they're off. The helicopters aren't in. And the bones aren't in. I don't know. Maybe. Everyone just going to scream to Epic about that, okay? Oh, and plus, in case you guys aren't wondering, Pee-wee, me, is my new main skin. Stick it out the way. Stop dancing. Oh, when you... Okay, you guys are going in. Get out of my car. There we go. You're out. So, how's your guys' days? It's gonna sound weird because, like, I'm in an Xbox party. So, I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm having an amazing day so far. And the dummy skin. You're probably wondering why I'm not talking about the dummy skin. Well, yes, the dummy skin, I might be getting it. I'll make a YouTube video if I get it. I don't know. So the dummy skin has been found on an island. You probably know it by now. The Trash Island, yes, that one. So you guys have probably heard of that. Yeah, and there's also this weird chest that I don't think you guys, it's been marked at Grotto and the edge of the map. Also, if any of you guys know about the Trichosaurus, he's got a drivable head. And there's also another one called Splashback Spartle. I don't know. Well, yeah, they're trying to have a war, and by the way, Trichosaurus is still just laying there. Don't forget to use code TICO in the item shop. Better do. So, yeah. Enjoy the rest of the clip.